Welcome folks to Rows to Columns. I'd like to show you Return Me, a spreadsheet I've developed because I am far too kind and I give out everything and I rarely get them back. So I just hit the use template. It's going to make a copy of this into your own drive. So again, all locked down, no one can see anything. Let's head off to the setup and you can see there's a few things we have to set up here. So you probably want to turn this on or else this program's kind of silly because it doesn't email anybody. When do I want to remind everyone? Say every 3 days. It will skip weekends because it's designed for a school. And then what hour should this be sent? Let's really annoy people at 8 in the morning. If you want to send it out at 5, just add 12. And there we go. That'll be 5. It's on military time, so you always add 12. But I'm going to leave it back on 8. So anytime you want to change this, or well, actually we got to set this up, just go to Return Me and set up email reminders. And again, your name will show up here. Just authorize everything. It's running in your account. Select all. It's got to be able to see so it can do things in here. It's got to be able to send the email to remind people and run at 8 o'clock in the morning so you're not sitting there logged in. Right? And again, if you want to change these, change them, go ahead and just rerun that and it will be set up for a new time frame, whatever you want. Now, this kind of works sort of bizarrely where it actually adds things in here. So as you add things into Tracker, it will fill up this list automatically for you. But if you want to pre-put in somebody, I'm just going to put in this. Now, this is an old trick. And then, I don't know, extension cord number 1, which I seem to buy a lot of. Okay, so let's go back to Tracker here. So this is mainly what you're just going to be using. So if you leave this blank, it will be due the next time the script runs. So what I can also do is do back on the 17th. The board, now you notice it immediately added that one, but I can add in this rapscallion. And then the item is going to be, how about power bar? I buy a ton of these. Number 1. Okay, and then you can add in notes if you want. And you can see in the setup, it's already added those in. So as you fill in the tracker, it automatically adds these in. You can just use these to pre-populate if you want. If you have a list of teachers or students that you're going to be using and set items you're going to be using, put them right in there and they'll just be in the drop down now. So that's great. Let's say it was due on the 9th. What happens? Oh, it goes yellow and lets me know that it's a problem. It's overdue. So let's check the setup. In 3 days from now, it will trigger the email and email this person that it's overdue. It will also email you every 3 days and tell you that it gives you a list. So if you've got 15 items here that are overdue, we'll send you one email with all 15 items listed. The people that owe you things, it will send them one per item because we kind of want to annoy them so they bring it back. Now, let's say if they do bring it back, what we do is we just check this box, give it a few seconds, just check them one at a time. It can't handle when you check a whole bunch off at once. And you can see it already disappeared, which is great because it's here and you can actually see when they did return it, when was it should have been returned, and all your information there. So you've got a nice little record going on there. Let's say I'm getting a little cheesed off and it's end of the year and I want to just go, hey, get everything back. You can manually run this whenever you feel like it. Just remember that your script in the back is still sending it out, on my case, every 3 days. Let's jump into my Gmail. Let's see what this thing looks like. So there should be 2 emails in here. Oh, there are. So this is me. Here are the missing items. So there's the person, and you can click on it to email them right back. Kind of neat. The name of the item and when it was due, and this will list out all of them that are overdue. And then this is sent to the actual person, and they can see that they owe you back power bar number 1 and on that due date. So it's a great way to track if you're kind like me and hand out a bunch of stuff, and then you're not chasing everyone around trying to get everything back in. If you have any questions, folks, email me back at the @Perzan Trainer. There's my site, and good luck. Hopefully you get something back.